So I bought the best bicycle computer in the world. This one, Cycplus GPS Computer G1. So let's see how it goes. How I can one-handedly remove this from the box. A manual, of course, necessary. Oh, a Cycplus with an email. Steven is the one that can help if there's any problems. With the transparency app, you can. Transparency app, I don't know what that does. Okay, so it comes here with a holder, a charge cable. Look at this, USB-C charge cable, A to C, and then rubber bands. There is 4 in there. So with 4 rubber bands, you mount this piece to the handlebar. It's rubber too. This is the holder, goes on top there. And then here is the computer itself. Here is the mounting thing that clips into the mount, into this. Twister, very easy. Look, here is a rubber thing there, it's fine. And then there is like a tape on there. So it's a tape on there, and then we can see there is the corner is already damaged. You know, for a brand new device, that's great. There's 2 buttons on here. Settings and power. That's fine. And then here in the back is this rubber. So I don't know, without reading the manual. I don't know. Oh, there it opens. Look at this. There, you can see it's the USB-C port. And this looks like a reset kind of button. Is it? No. I don't know. So, it's like this, and then let's turn it on. There it comes on. Look at that. That is how it looks like. Speed, time. There is a satellite indicator. Battery is full. Look, there is the edge that is damaged, but okay. Now, I don't have satellites here because my roof is metal. So it probably has a hard time to figure out where it is. Okay, here on the settings button we click. Odometer. Altitude. RTM, I don't know. Time. DST is distance. Total. Odo. RTM and alt. Now, on the top here, you switch average, max. Max. Now, average. I don't know, if you click both, doesn't matter. So if I push and hold both, it turns off. So you have to probably read the manual to figure out how to switch this to miles or what, if it can do that. Here, C4, what does that mean? C6, recovery, C8, I don't know, I was pushing and holding. Yeah, don't know what this means. Alright, so push and hold to turn off, I guess. Yeah, that's the thing. And then you put it on the bike and ride around and everything is cool. Nice.